What made Bonito stand out was the designs they delivered, how they understood my problem statement, because living in the house for 6 years and then getting a renovation done, I had pretty much pointed out problem statements that I wanted the designs and the renovation to address. So I guess the design evangelists and the designers at Bonito, they typically understood my problem, and then the design that came out of it was something that really fit my need. So that is how I decided to employ Bonito Design services for the renovation.
I would say the design part of it, like what you see is what you get. So you have to, like, whatever the designer shows you, like finally that is realized. So that is something which is not just a hypothetical, a CAD design on the screen. You actually get it.
I had two particular requirements that I gave to the designers. One was extra cupboard space, extra storage space. Along with it, I wanted the room not to look very bulky with too many cupboards. They did that extremely wonderfully, and they gave me a work desk along with it, so it really helps during the work from home days. The individual carpenters and people, firstly you have to employ different people for different services. You'll have a different electrician coming your way, you'll have a different carpenter, a different plumber and stuff. Bonito gives you integrated services.
And I would say, like, both coordinated very well. The feedback was taken up at fast because we were closely monitoring it, because ours was not a standalone house which was left there and we would come once. We were monitoring each and every minute of it. So we were actually very prompt in feedback, and we sought the response also very fast. So we got it at a reasonable time. So I would say they did a decent job.
I rated it around 8.5.
I would say it will be 8 out of 10.